What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. And I know it has been such a long time since I filmed a video. It honestly feels kind of weird to pick up the camera again since it's been so long, but I'm finally filming an update video on the Evo 8, giving you guys an Evo 10 update. So it's been a long time. Evo has been pretty bulletproof since we built it.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
We did run into a little bit of an issue. So a little bit of a story for you guys. Grace and I are out one night, just chilling with the boys, hanging out, driving around, and all of a sudden we're driving back home and the car starts to lose power. It doesn't sound right. And I'm like, this is really weird. And me being the, non-mechanic that I am, I had no clue what was wrong. So lots of troubleshooting later. I think the issue is coming from either the wiring or a bad coil on my coil on plug setup. So I ended up ordering a JD Customs coil on plug kit, and I'm super excited. I'm praying to God that this fixes my issue because the car's been down now about 2 months. I drove it a little bit. It seemed like it was okay, and then the same issue came back. So we're gonna install the full kit. Now, I did get everything from mounting plate to new harness to new coils, and I'll go ahead and show you guys that. But yeah, so we've had that issue, and then I'm also going to be throwing on my dream wheels. So I found a super duper good deal on wheels, and I drove up to Denver a few nights ago to get them, and they're sitting in the garage. I can't wait to show you guys. No more rotas, no more knockoff wheels. These are legit forged wheels, and I'm so excited. Honestly, I can't wait to see what these look like on my Evo. I think they're going to look super sick, and I'm so excited. So let me go ahead and show you guys the JD Customs coil on plug kit. Now, I will leave all this linked down in the description if you guys are interested. Now, my favorite thing about this kit is it does come with titanium hardware, so it'll look really pretty, and then it is a carbon fiber mounting plate, and it is their show series, so it looks a little bit better, a little bit cleaner, and I think it'll look really good on the painted valve cover. So let me show you guys that. All right, so I just opened it just so you guys don't see my address because, gotta keep that confidential. So dang, the packaging so far, super nice. Now, the guys over at JD Customs are also really helpful. He messaged me back right away when I had questions. Oh my gosh, guys, this is going to look so sick. Wait till you guys see this. Honestly, if this fixes my issue, I am going to be the happiest guy in the world. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, look at it, the carbon fiber. Oh, dude, and look at that titanium. So when I said it has titanium hardware, I think it was like $15 extra to get these in titanium, and it just looks so beautiful. I mean, just look at that titanium. And now I'm kind of afraid because I think this is gonna start my titanium obsession, but honestly, it looks beautiful. The mounting plate's really nice. Like I said, it has the harness and everything too. And if you guys are interested, I'm sure you've heard of them. Super cool guys. But I did get this from JD Customs. Check them out. If you guys need a new coil on plug kit, go ahead and hit them up. Now, these are the Denso coils. You can get the GTR coils, but I heard that they have a little bit of issues. You have to either retune, and they just don't run 100% good. And I'm only making between 600 and 700 horsepower. And for those, they recommend using them if you run over 800. But I really like this because if you guys can see, the coils actually sit flush on the mounting plate, which on my old mounting plate, they do not. But yeah, this thing is absolutely beautiful. So let's go out. I'll show you guys the Evo and we will get these installed. All right, guys, so I don't even know if you've seen the engine bay since the car's been done, but here is the old coil on plug setup. Now, my buddy Austin was saying that the wiring is pretty outdated and not the best. And then, like I was showing you guys on the new one, the coils don't really sit flush on this like they do on the JD Customs one. So I don't know if that was part of my issue or if a coil pack went bad, but we're just gonna replace the whole thing and hope that that fixes the issue. But I think the carbon's gonna look sick against the painted valve cover. And Dale's here. Dale, it's been a long time, bro.
I know.
You gotta say hi to the people.
The great return.
They all miss you. And then it's also been so long since I've even filmed a video that I've gotten Grace's reaction to the car on camera, so I'll show you guys that now. Wanna do a little test? And then I'm also gonna go, hopefully this weekend, and film my mom's reaction, because I think it's gonna be hilarious. She's never been in like a super fast car. Well, I think this, before we built it, was the fastest car she'd ever been in. So now that it makes like 600 horsepower, I think she's gonna just totally flip over it. So that video will be coming soon, and I'm just so excited to have my car back. And so these are the old wheels. Now you guys have seen these. They're really ugly, they're pretty curb rash, and they're just gross Rotas. We're gonna swap those out. I don't even know if I'm gonna show you guys the wheels before we throw them on, because I really want to film like a cinematic edit with them. But yeah, these are no more. Moment of truth, boys. Is the Evo gonna run and run good? Dude, watch the battery be dead again. It's been 2 days. She's alive and she sounds good. Yeah, she sounds beautiful. Yes, let's go. The Evo's alive. She's idling good.
Smells like popcorn.
That E85, boy. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. I've literally been so down because I spent so much money on this thing to build it, and then I've just had non-stop issues, which I guess that's what comes along with race cars. But she's finally running, and I'm so happy, and she sounds perfect. So hopefully now that she's good, you guys will have to let me know what videos you want me to film, what you want to see. I've done a couple races. I raced a ProCharge C6. I barely lost, but he was making like 850 or 900. I didn't get this one on film, but I raced a really fast ProCharged Camaro that made 850 as well, or 900, and I beat him. I raced a 500 horsepower GTI. I beat him. So this thing, I mean, it's fast. Like, it's not the biggest turbo ever. It's a 60 mil. But she scoops, she gets down for an Evo. So I'm just hoping she runs good, she stays good. And now that we got the coil unplug kit on, let's get the new wheels on. I think you guys are gonna freak over these wheels. Now, I've never had a nice set of wheels. Dale always gives me crap because I've always had the Rotas on here and they're just not nice. Well, I had RPF ones on for a bit, but that's like the most basic wheel you can get for an Evo. We're gonna go throw those on. I don't know if I'll show you us throwing them on, or maybe I'll just show you the finished product. But just trust me, boys, trust me. It's gonna be sick. Oh, just listen to her purr. Okay, so I also had a question for you guys. So aesthetically, this car is gonna look beautiful. There's nothing else I wanna do to it, but I think it's got a really cheap, crappy eBay exhaust, and I wanna get rid of it, and I wanna get a Tomei, but I wanna know what you guys think. Should I get the Tomei for it, or should I leave this the way it is? Now, I do have a JDM rear, but they do make the Tomeis that'll fit the JDM rear, so that's really what I'm thinking I want for this, but I also wanted your guys' opinion. So new wheels, hopefully new exhaust, and overall I just hope she stays running good, because this thing is my baby. I love her to death. Man, so I have a lot to update you guys on. So we actually wrapped Grace's Evo 10. So it was a huge project. It took us about 2 weeks, but the front bumper got absolutely destroyed last year. Well, it's been destroyed since we got the car. And so we have the new OEM front bumper, and then we actually got this OEM piece right here, and we did spray paint it, but it came out really nice. And then we're also going to be spraying that middle piece as well with the emblem on it. So then we'll have the front bumper back on soon, and then we can rewrap the rear and the front end. But I'm gonna let Grace film that video because I know she's really excited about it. And she actually ended up wrapping the car herself. So stay tuned for that. I'm really excited to show you guys. The Evo 10 is gonna look killer once it's done. And right over there, there's my wheels. I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. So it's got new tires. Oh, okay, too much. All right, guys, I don't know if you're ready to see these. Dale, are they ready?
Nah, they don't know you know what real wheels are.
Dale always gives me crap because I've had Rotas on this thing since I got them, and then when I got the RPF ones, it's like, you had the most basic wheel ever. So I'm gonna do a cinematic edit later in the video, but I gotta show you guys these. Look at this. Woo-hoo! Your boy got some TE37s. Let's go. So these are TE37s in diamond black, and now they aren't an Evo spec wheels, so they're 18 by 9.5 plus 38, which I think is a Subaru. Like, that's like the ideal fitment for Subaru. So now I do have a spacer. I don't know what size spacer these are, just to clear the Brembos up front. So sick. Look at that. Ooh. She's a spicy Evo now. I found a really crazy deal on these, and they have basically brand new all seasons on them. This is the only wheel with a little bit of curb rash. Well, I say a little bit. It's got a decent amount, but all other three are in mint condition. Yeah, these ones are pretty perfect. And then this one is perfect as well. One has curb rash, but for the price I paid, I can't be too mad. Here she is, boys. Running good, looking good. Ooh, look at that. She just looks so good. Ooh. I'm so stoked. Dale, you're the best. Thank you. Oh, I just can't get over how good it looks. Dang. Well, let me know what you guys think. Does it look good? All right, guys, so a video is not complete if you don't come and go to show off the new wheels. So here she is, guys. She's running amazing. It is nighttime, so I can't really film a ton. So I'm gonna pick the video back up tomorrow, but I had to show you guys the new wheels under this sick gas station lighting. Look at this thing. She's so minty. She's running amazing. And I actually, Grace wasn't in the car with me, unfortunately, but I did race a Lambo and I beat him. I realized literally you guys have not seen anything on the car, so I got to do a little ripperino. Well, boys, day 2 and the Evo is still running, still driving. I'm honestly so happy. Like, just knowing this car's back to being pretty reliable. I mean, it still is a race car at the end of the day, but like knowing that it's pretty reliable just makes me so happy. And it looks killer. Like, every time I walk away and I turn back and look at the car, I'm like, oof, that looks good. So really excited. She looks beautiful. She's running good. I need to do rear brakes because they're squeaking a little bit and the pads are basically worn. So we're gonna do rotors and pads back there. But then the car should be pretty much good to go. So let me know what you guys want to see on the Evo. Definitely gonna be doing reaction videos. I think my mom's reaction is gonna be absolutely hilarious. And then I did want to ask you guys, I've been looking at another car that would be like my daily, and then, you know, this would kind of be the race car. And it's an Audi RS3. It's a 2017. It's got 50,000 miles on it, and it makes about 600 wheel. It has like 20,000 in mods, and I'd be getting it for 47.5 if I decide to. So I really want to know, do you guys want to see a different platform on the channel? And the only issue with this car is like it's pretty much got everything done to it already, so I wouldn't really be modding it. I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. I am supportive of whatever you choose to do. I'm just glad that you finally have this back and it's running and it's so fast. I feel like you haven't even pulled that horse since I've been in the car, and it's like the feeling is like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like more intense than like the instantaneous like amount of force going on a roller coaster. Like, it's like I don't even know what is welling up, but it's like my whole body's just, it's crazy how fast it is.
Yeah, so Gracie likes it. I don't know, guys. It's like I really want it because I feel like it's kind of like that next level for me, and I really want a 2017 plus GTR, but we still live in an apartment, and like everybody's like, oh, go get a house, but it's like right now is a really bad time in my opinion to buy a house. So I don't know, I'm trying to figure it out. But if you guys want to see an RS3 on the channel, I mean, it would be like my new daily and my new baby, but like, I don't know, it's a lot of money that I don't have to spend. But I want to hear your guys' opinion, because honestly, like, if you guys would be excited to see it and see content on it, like, dude, I'd be ecstatic to own one. So let me know. And yeah, that's really all I have. Grace, what are your final thoughts? Evo's good, it's fast, sort of?
Yes, it's scary fast.
Baby, I didn't even show them the color of yours yet, because I figured you'd want to do like a video or something.
Yeah, well, and I still don't have a freaking bumper.
That is true. I did show him the pieces of the bumper that
good,
we were
okay.
spray painting, you know?
Yeah.
But no, her car's gonna look really good, and then we're getting a bunch of maintenance stuff done to it this week, so it'll be like nice and reliable. So
Yeah.
we still have both Evos. Our life's good, we're healthy, we're happy, and yeah, that's kind of our update video. Hopefully, it's been, I don't know, what, a year? No, not a year, but it's been a long
Like
time
6
since I
months.
filmed a YouTube video. So if this video sucks, like, give me a break. I'm like learning how to film and edit again. So like, yeah.
You're doing great.
But expect more videos. Obviously, I'm like this is like my comeback video. So
You're doing it.
hell yeah.
Yeah, we wanted to film a video. Well, I wanted to film a video when we did the wrap on my car, and it was so challenging. And
It was.
mentally and physically draining because I still worked, but I did it well. Like, it was a lot. It was a lot that, like, the thought of a camera even didn't happen.
It was pretty
Didn't
tough,
happen.
but it was a good time. It took us like 2 weeks, and once the car's done, it's gonna be absolutely sick. So
Yeah.
we'll show you guys it when it's done. My Evo's done. I'm done spending money on this thing. So yeah.
You say that, but
Well, yeah, I'm sure things are gonna break and I'm gonna have to do stuff. But I think my mom's reaction is gonna be hilarious. You ready?
yeah.
You sure?
Jesus Christ. Okay, I didn't have my eyes open during any of that, just so y'all know.
That's all I've got for you guys this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, you already know, like, smash the like button. I'm sure I'm gonna get like 10 views on this video because, you know, my channel died. But like, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.